my beautiful chicken and bacon vegetable pasta dish. Enjoy! In the pan we have some chopped onions, some chopped bacon, red and green pepper and mushrooms. So we've got some speed veggies in there. Then I've cooked the pasta. This is a bit of a mix of 2 bags that I had left, so there's 160 grams of pasta in there cooking away. And this is the roast chicken that we cooked yesterday. And I'm just going to cut some of that up to put in as well. So I chopped the other half of that breast off, and that's going to be enough for 2 because we've got all the veggies and the bacon. There's 2 smoked bacon with the fat cut off. To make the sauce for the pasta, I use, sorry for the steaming, I'll just move the pasta. Yeah, I use reduced fat creme fraiche, which comes from Morrison's, Elmlea single light cream, and celery salt, sage, and garlic powder, and then black pepper and salt. And so I'm now going to stir all this up. I've only left this in sections so that you can see it. And so now we're going to stir all this up together. And let's put some nice veggies in there along with the chicken and bacon. There's some nice flavour. And you can just make that little bowl, and I shall put the creme fraiche and the cream and the seasonings in there. So I've put 5 tablespoons of the creme fraiche light, and I've put 3 tablespoons of the Elmlea light. So that makes 7.5 for that and 3 for that. So it's 10.5 sins, and everything else was free. And I'll put all the seasonings in there as well. And so that's going to do 2 of us, which is going to be a lovely, lovely tasty meal for a low sin value. So with a good grind of salt and black pepper, I've mixed it all together and it looks like that. Now I'm going to drain the pasta and put that in. Just remember not to have it on too high or your cream and creme fraiche will boil away. So it needs to be cooked on a low heat once you put those ingredients in. You can put that into a baking dish and put it in the oven with some Parmesan cheese on the top for your healthy extra A, and let that crisp up. I normally serve it up like this and then grate my Parmesan cheese on the top and let it melt. If you'd like to have more sauce than there is in there, then you can add some fat-free yogurt or a little bit of the pasta cooking water. You can put a few spoonfuls of that in. We make this quite a lot, and it is very, very, very tasty, and it makes a huge big dish for the 2 of us. Well, here we are dished up, and as you can see, these are big dishes. These are my favourite big dishes, and we have got a lovely big heaped. I don't think you can appreciate really, the pictures don't do the size justice, but it is a real lot. It is a great big bowl, and you can see John's got a bit more than I have. And after the Parmesan has been added, that is what it looks like. So that is my lovely chicken and bacon pasta dish. You can add more pasta, you can add more veggies and change the veggies and put in whatever you would prefer. What I wanted to show was the cream sauce and the flavourings of chicken and bacon. So you can try it. Anyway, enjoy.